We usually roast it with chicken or potatoes. It's cheap, it grows in almost every garden, and you probably have some in your kitchen right now. But what if I told you that this common herb is actually a biological powerhouse? Ancient Greek scholars used to wear garlands of it on their heads to help them pass exams. And today, modern dermatologists are finding it can rival popular hair growth medications. Welcome back to the Natural Remedy Vault. Today, we are unlocking the secrets of rosemary, nature's dual-action tool for extreme hair growth and a sharper memory. And the best part? You don't need to buy expensive oils. I'm going to show you exactly how to make the potent rosemary water right at home. So why is everyone suddenly talking about rosemary? Is it just a trend? Actually, the science is surprisingly solid. The magic ingredient inside rosemary is a compound called Carnosic Acid. One of the main reasons men and women lose hair is because of a hormone byproduct called DHT, which attacks hair follicles and shrinks them until they stop producing hair. A famous 2015 study compared rosemary oil directly against Minoxidil 2%, the leading pharmaceutical hair growth drug. The result? After 6 months, both groups saw the exact same amount of significant hair regrowth. But here is the kicker. The rosemary group reported significantly less scalp itching and irritation than the drug group. Rosemary also acts as a vasodilator. That's a fancy way of saying it opens up the tiny blood vessels in your scalp, flooding your hair follicles with the nutrient-rich blood they are starving for. Now, you can buy expensive rosemary oils, but the most accessible way to use this remedy is by making rosemary water. It's lighter, less greasy, and costs pennies to make. Here is the exact recipe from the Natural Remedy Vault. Step 1. Take 3 to 4 sprigs of fresh rosemary. You can use dried, but fresh is packed with more of those volatile oils we want. Rinse them off to remove any dirt. Step 2. Place them in a pot and add about 2 to 3 cups of distilled water. You don't want to drown them, you want a concentrated brew. Step 3. Bring the water to a boil, then immediately turn the heat down to the lowest setting. Cover the pot with a lid. This is crucial. You don't want those healing steam oils to escape into the air. You want them trapped in the water. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the water turns a deep, dark amber or reddish color. Step 4. Turn off the heat and let it steep until it cools down completely. Ideally, leave it for an hour. Once cool, strain the liquid into a spray bottle. You now have a potent, nutrient-dense hair tonic. Keep it in the fridge. It will last for about 1 to 2 weeks. Making it is easy, but how you use it matters. Don't just spray it on your hair ends. This needs to reach the root. Part your hair and spray directly onto the scalp. Then spend 2 to 3 minutes massaging it in with your fingertips. This massage increases blood flow even further, helping the carnosic acid penetrate deep into the follicle. You can do this every single day. Since it's water-based, it won't leave your hair looking greasy like castor oil or coconut oil might. You can leave it in and go about your day, or apply it at night before bed. But wait, I promised you a brain boost too, right? Remember those ancient Greeks? It turns out they were onto something. Compounds in rosemary, specifically 1.8 cineol, prevent the breakdown of a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. This chemical is essential for thinking, concentration, and memory. Research has shown that simply smelling rosemary aroma can improve memory performance and alertness. So while you're brewing your hair tonic, take a deep breath. You aren't just treating your scalp, you're waking up your brain. Thicker hair, better blood flow, and a sharper mind, all from a weed growing in your garden. That is the power of natural remedies. Are you going to try the Rosemary Water Challenge? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to discover more secrets to upgrade your health naturally, make sure to hit that subscribe button and unlock the Natural Remedy Vault. I'll see you in the next video.